So here I'm again explaining about the third presentation. This is the secure identity and compliance, and presenting with Praveen, and faculty advisor is the Dr. Victor Komar, sir. And now I'm going to explain about the generative AI fundamentals and security services, and security data is a Segamox and AWS IAM and AWS KMS and Amazon Massey and AWS Secrets Manager and AWS WAF and AWS Shield and Amazon VPC and AWS Private Link. So here we have the description. AWS provides multiple security services to protect cloud applications, users, and sensitive information from cyber threats and unauthorized accesses. So coming here, so AWS Identity and Access Management IAM. So how it will be work like that? We have the Amazon APIs like that. So we have to be going to be interacting with the DB, and IAM features are user authentication and authorization. Like every user having the authentication and authorization, it will be going to work on it. And role-based access control. I'm using the role-based access control here, and permissions and management. I'm using the permissions for the security purpose, and a multi-factor authentication MFA, it would be really good here. And a secure like MFA means like if we get the OTP or Microsoft authentication OTP or something, like we can factor two-step verification process. We're going to use that one. And secure access to the AWS resources and description. AWS IAM controls user permissions and improves security by restricting unauthorized access to cloud resources. And it's a bit strict, but it's like a very highly secure. We need to use every protection layer here. So that's really good. And going to the AWS key management services like a KMS and encryption features, secure encryption key management and protect sensitive information, data encryption services and security compliance support and cloud data protection. Encryption features like secure encryption key management means like how the secure encryption will be work, like how we are sending the data to from here to the like DB cloud. Like for example, if you enter in the username and password when we click on login or sign up for creating the account, so it will be converting all our information to the hash like 1001 like that. So that is a binary data. So we're converting that, and it's like a hashtag, like like it's like a token based, like it will be sending to it will directly send to the data, like API call, like in the API to the DB. Then the data of these zeros and ones, and it will be transferring to the again your actual data. So it will be checked with this identity like zeros and ones matching with the database hash codes. So if this both are finding and fixing the same, then it will be okay, go straight forward. Otherwise, it will definitely give the validation error. So here I'm going to explain about that. So description, AWS KMS helps organizations and encrypts the data and securely manage encryption keys across cloud services. And this encryption feature is really good. And so it will definitely hide the actual data and compress the code, like that user information and sending back to the database. And the thing is like nobody cannot easily hack this type of process, because it's like very hard to be converting those binaries to the machine learning into normal language. So here we're using the token as well, so it's still protected. So coming here, Amazon Massey. So it's like you see end-to-end encryption is here, data protection features, like I just added all the flowchart like that. So detected and detects sensitive information, uses machine learning for security, and monitors cloud storage data and improves privacy protection and supports compliance requirements. And the description, Amazon Massey automatically identify and protect sensitive information stores in AWS environment. It's like it's like Amazon Massey automatically identifies the protect sensitive information. It will protect the sensitive information and stores into the AWS cloud environment, and supports compliance requirements and improve privacy protection and monitor cloud storage data, and uses machine learning for security. So these all things will be done by step like that. So it is like a process. So coming to the AWS secrets and manager. So security features are like a store passwords, securely protects API keys and credentials, and automatic screen rotation, and improves application security, reduces security risk and the description. So here we can see that AWS Secret Manager helps organizations securely store and manage confidential credentials and sensitive information. So it's like very close type of like the servers and everything in the AWS cloud, like they are managing all the AWS with the servers only. So we are entering the all the type of information. So we are saving the type of information into the servers with the high protected storage. So nobody can going to be hack it with the automated secret rotation, and improves application security and reduce the security risks. So coming here, AWS Web Applications and Firewall, WAF, web security features like protection, protects the web applications, filters the malicious traffic and prevents cyber attacks, and improves application security, monitors and incoming requests and description. AWS WAF helps organizations secure web applications from common online threats and attacks. So here you can see the network 10.1.024. It's going to the network 10.2.0. It's like a web security features. We are providing the protection of the web applications and filtering the malicious traffic. So AWS Shield, like how the Shield will be work like that. DDoS protection features protects against DDoS attacks, real-time threats monitoring, and improves cloud availability, automatic attack mitigation, and advanced network protection. Description: AWS Shield protects application from distributed denial of service and attacks, and improves cloud security. So AWS Shield protects application from distributed denial of service and attacks, and improves cloud security. So it's like protects against DDoS attacks and automatic attack mitigation and advanced network protection. So coming here, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud VPC networking features are like a private cloud networking and secure resource communication, networking isolation, controlled instant access, a flexible network configuration. And description is like Amazon VPC helps organization creates a secure and isolated cloud environment for applications and services. So here you can see the corporate network, VNet, and AD management. So this is the things I have done, and as well I have created the AWS account here at the main with my credentials and everything. I use my debit credit card, and I have purchased the AWS account, the cloud environment tool. So here I'm going to test everything. Like I'm going to deploy my application. I'm going to show everything. So this is the first step of the week I have done. I have taken the account from the AWS and successfully logged into the account. So you can see here, this is my account, and so here you can see the S3. I'm using the AWS Amazon S3 feature. So when we go in here, we have the buckets. So Amazon Web3 buckets, we have the data performance, traceability, and use case. So this is my lab. So in this lab, I'm going to be working on Amazon S3 production, Amazon S3 deployment. So my plan is going to be take an image and going to be uploaded here, and it will be going to create a link for us. Like that link will be going to be stored to the we can share to the everywhere. It's like available into the online. So that is a pretty straightforward. So I'm going to do, this is my lab. This lab will be going to be featuring everything in this, like step by step. Every week I will do so much of production in this, and I will be going to get AWS certification with this. And thank you so much for this giving opportunity. Thank you.